In today's video, I will show you how to export data from Metabase to a CSV file. By the end of this video, you will know exactly where to find your data and how to download it. So you can open it in Excel, Google Sheet, or any tool that works with CSV files. So first thing you need to do is be logged in into your Metabase account, and you need to see this home page right over here. Next, open the dashboard that contains the data you want to export. So navigate here to our analytics, to examples, and now right over here I have created one of my dashboard which I want to do that. So before downloading anything, take a moment to set your filters at the top. Things like date, range, region, segment, and so on. Now, hover your mouse over the specific card you want to download. So, for example, we want to download people with age. You will see here three dots right over here. Click on it, and then you will see download results. Click on that, and it will open small pop-up window, and you will see here CSV, XLS, as JSON. Leave that keep date formatted like so, and click on download. Now we downloaded our CSV file, so if I open up like so, now as you can see we have all the data here in our CSV file in Excel, and this is how you can get it from Metabase to your Excel file with in CSV format. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the